Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are getting ready to do my nighttime skincare routine. A couple of you guys had asked for this video, but I was waiting on it because I actually switched new products, and so I wanted to let myself have like a week or two. It's been about a week and a half of trying out a new product. So I was using a different water mask at night, but I recently switched to, because you guys know I love all things Teami Blends, and they came out with the new overnight sleep mask. And so I wanted to try this out, and before I told y'all about it as far as my nighttime routine, that's why I waited to do this video. I know you guys asked me for this a while ago, but we're gonna do it. So this is the Teami overnight sleep mask hydration treatment with niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. It says that it promises that it is natural, vegan, non-GMO, certified cruelty-free, and it's made in Florida, and that it's made without alcohol, parabens, synthetic dyes, artificial fragrance, harmful chemicals. I liked all of this about it because I'm not really one that does a lot of fragrance. For those of you who've been following me forever, for all of the newbies, I have eczema, so I'm very careful with the products that I use. I don't really use a lot of stuff that's fragrance that much. I'm very serious about the products that I use on my skin because I have to be, having eczema. In fact, I'll show you the sleep mask that I was using. So the sleep mask that I had been using was the Laneige Special Care Water Sleeping Mask, and it was doing okay, but I wanted to try something different. I wanted to try something that had a little bit more niacinamide in it, so that's when I switched to the Teami Blends one. So it's 2 ounces. It comes in this thick glass container. I don't know if you can hear. It's pink, and it's not watery. It is movable, so it's not like super watery, but it is good for hydration. I had been using this mask for a little over a week and a half now, and I do like it better than the one that I was using, so I'm actually glad that I made the switch. So yeah, this is a part of my new skincare routine for at night. So my nighttime skincare routine is actually pretty simple. I don't do a whole lot. I have a lot of products that I layer, but that's because I constantly want to have a lot of moisture on my skin at night. So I start by removing my makeup, which I start with makeup remover wipes, the Neutrogena ones. I like those the best. Then I go in with another makeup remover with my micellar water with the cotton round. I go in and I do that. Then I go in and I wash with my Simple and my my scrub pads, with washing them with cleansing. Then after that, if I have any dark spots, I'll go in with my dark spot serum from Admire Skin. If I don't, then I'll just skip straight to my toner, which I use a rose water toner. Then I put on my eye cream, which this is Innisfree. It's a green tea seed eye cream. Then I go in with my CeraVe vitamin D serum first, then oil drops, then my collagen cream. Then at night, again, now I go in, I was using that water mask, but now that I've switched to the overnight sleep mask with them, then with the sleep mask. And so that's my skincare routine at night. So typically it's me sitting here just calming, just breaking down. I always have to have a scrunchie because I always tie my hair up to get it out the way. I always put on my little head scrunchie just to keep everything out of my face. And then I go in and I take off all my jewelry, and then I start my skincare routine. So let's get into it. So that is it, guys. That is it for my nighttime skincare routine. The last thing that I do, because as you can see now, my face is really dewy, has a lot of like moisture on it, retention on it. Like I said, this sleep mask is amazing. You can see this is in there. It's gonna hold and lock that moisture in. And I'm just going with some chapstick. Make sure these lips are nice and moisturized for bed as well. And that is it. So then I will just wrap my hair, and then shower, or if I already showered, sometimes I shower after I do my face routine, sometimes I shower before. It honestly doesn't matter, because once I do that, the moisture is locked in. And if I take a shower after I've already done that, the steam from the shower kind of just sets it in. So sometimes I do it before, sometimes I do it after. But wrap my hair and then put on my pajamas and go to bed. So that is it. Thank you so much again to Teami Blends for sponsoring this video. Like I said, I'm so glad that I made the switch from the sleep mask that I was using to this new overnight sleep mask. Discount code, if you want to try this new sleep mask, which I highly recommend, because I've been using it for a little over a week now and I love it. As you can see, skin is popping, you can see it. Murphy 20, description box, any Teami Blends products that you need. As you know now, not only have switched to this sleeping mask, but I'm also doing the 30-day detox. So any Teami Blends products that you're interested in, the link is in the description box. Murphy 20, get all your products there. I highly, highly, highly suggest this mask because it's amazing. Like when I wake up, the past, like I said, week and a half I've been using it. When I wake up, my face is still very, very moisturized. So that is it, guys. Quick tutorial on my nighttime routine. Well, my nighttime skincare routine. So I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.